stickers. No, we're not. More stickers. The ruler.
Cars. Hot day cars. Hot day cars. For hot day cars.
Wow, that was satisfying.
Ah.
That was so satisfying. Okay, next. Oh wow, look at all the cards. Okay, next, build the stunt base. Okay, let's build the stunt base. First, we need this device here. Measure Shiloh's head. And what appears to be this one. Yes, check. 1, A, click. Click, click. No, not that way. Yes, this way. Okay. Underneath. I don't understand. Okay, wait. This one goes under.
Mommy.
Okay.
Go, mommy.
1.
Whoa.
Did you see how cool that was?
Yes,
Okay.
saw that.
Let's have it stop over here at the box. You love me?
I saw it.
2.
Oh, Bobby, no, go.
We didn't crash. Why isn't it working? Wrong.
Slow walking, Annie.
It has to work.
It's slow. Don't build it. Don't build it. I said don't build it.
Don't bank it?
Yeah, I know it's that.
But how do you do it otherwise? Okay.
Oh, I'll show you.
Okay, show me. Do it
I'll
gentle.
show you. Look. Go forwards. Look. 1, 2. I go.
Yes, so close.
Ah,
Try again.
right first. I did.
No, you can do it. You're going to learn how to do it yourself.
I made it.
Good job. Just have to be patient and practice.
One, two, go. Oh!
Okay, ready? Now let's see if we can get it. Oh, it has to be pushed back all the way. Ready?
The clouds off. Try again. How's no moving? You planted.
I didn't do anything to it.
Yeah. I saw you.
What did you see me do?
I'll show you. Look. I'll do slow.
Yes! Nailed it. Great job. Do it again.
How did that? Now do high.
Okay, do it high.
Like this. Oops. Like that. I'll do too high. I'll do this one. No, help this one.
No, you can do it.
I do it first. All the way. Oh, all the way. Set, go. Oi! Ah. I did it.
Do it again.
Look, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. All the cards.
Oh! I do small.
Okay.
My answer is super fast. That's just.
Shiloh's been wanting to do the Warhead Challenge for months now. So, ready? Look at the camera. Look at me. I want to see. Don't put it on the table. Don't. Here, put it here. Warheads. Extreme sour. Hard candy. Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
Be strong. No, don't give up.
That feels sour. Good, mommy, do it.